Bidvest was founded by Brian Joffe but has recently been split off from the food services business where Joffe now operates, and that of course is known as Bidcorp.
Yes, it is now run by Lindsay Ralphs and his team, who operate a range of industrial services and logistics businesses under the Bidvest umbrella. It has a market cap of 52 billion rand, a dividend yield of 4.5% and a PE ratio of 14.9.
So first of all, I think we need to say congratulations to Brian in terms of the shareholder value and wealth that he's created.
Correct.
Specifically with the split and Bidcorp and Bidvest now running as two separate entities.
Definitely.
And I'm sure everybody's done well out of that transaction.
Yeah, and the value unlock was evident, right? So Bidvest alone is up 25% since the split, so that continues to create value. Yeah, and you could choose which part you wanted to hold, or both, right? Which is giving shareholders more choice, which we're definitely in favour of.
Yeah, I think the timing was pretty good for the Bidvest shareholders if you stuck with Bidvest, because straight afterwards you had Brexit. We've had this deep weakening of the pound and a lot of developed market currencies, whereas Bidvest is more South Africa orientated.
Yes. We actually went in the hot stocks portfolio with Bidcorp.
Yes.
We didn't stay with Bidvest.
Yes. We always felt that the Bidcorp business, the food services business, was the jewel of the crown. You can see that by the valuations. Bidcorp does afford a lot higher valuation, but you get the feeling that possibly, when they did the split, there was a buying opportunity in the Bidvest. I mean, I think originally it was trading about 10, 11 times.
That's right.
So it was trading cheaper than a lot of the other logistics types businesses in South Africa.
So where to from here? We hold Bidcorp in the hot stocks portfolio. What would you do, given that you have a choice now?
Yeah, so look, I mean, here we're looking at the logistics and freight division specifically. There's a lot more that comes into it: financial services, automotive, that type of thing. The logistics and freight is not in the easiest spots at the moment. When you're transporting these big bulk commodities, a lot, as you said, depends on GDP growth and the commodity cycle, and we are just exporting less at the moment, and so the revenues are under pressure. The drought has also affected it, so those softer agricultural commodities are being affected. Volumes are down, and they expect that to continue next year.
Let's look at the share price graph.
So they've obviously factored in the split. Yeah, they've adjusted, and you can see the big value creation when the split was made. I mean, don't forget they've got a big vehicles distribution business, McCarthy's, the likes of Land Rover, Jaguar, Birchmore's, and they've got stakes in Adcock, and they still are in acquisitive mode. They've still made a few recent acquisitions. So it's going to be all over the place in terms of diversification, but mostly still a South African business. And I just think the economy at the moment is a bit stagnant, and it is very cyclical industrial type businesses.
Hot or not? Bidvest.
Not hot for me. I just think we're looking at the freight and logistics, a lot of hurdles to overcome, and the outlook's pretty murky for South Africa at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to be cautious there.
Yeah, I think ex-Bidcorp. I'm going to be not hot on Bidvest, hot on Bidcorp.